Welcome to MIT Creation. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete process of replacing the maintenance box on the Epson L3560 EcoTank printer. If your printer shows a message like "Ink pad is at the end of its service life," this video will help you fix it step by step. The Epson L3560 uses a maintenance box to store excess ink from cleaning and flushing cycles. Over time, this box fills up and your printer stops working to prevent ink leakage. You might see errors like "Ink pad is full," "Service required," or red blinking lights. Don't worry, this is easy to fix at home or in a service center. A new maintenance box compatible with the Epson L3560. You can order the C9344 waste ink box or an L3560 specific original box. Now, let's find the maintenance box. Turn the printer around. On the back right side, you'll see a small cover held in place. Use your flat screwdriver to gently open this panel. Inside, you'll see a white or gray rectangular box. That's the maintenance box. Carefully grip the maintenance box and pull it outward. You may notice ink residue, so hold it upright and place it on a cloth. This box is filled with sponge pads that absorb ink. Once it's full, it can't be reused safely. If ink has spilled inside the compartment, use a dry cloth or cotton swab to clean the area. Avoid touching sensors or connectors. Do not try to wash or reuse the old box. This can damage the printer. Now, unpack your new maintenance box. Slide it into the compartment in the same direction as the old one. Push firmly until it clicks into place. Then, close the plastic cover panel. Restart the printer after completing the process. Power on the printer and check the control panel. If everything went well, the error should disappear and the printer will return to normal. Try printing a test page to confirm it's working fine. Small orange diamond if your printer doesn't recognize the new box. Remove and reinsert it. Small orange diamond, make sure the new box is compatible with the L3560 model. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the maintenance box on the Epson L3560 printer and fixed the ink pad error. This simple replacement helps avoid expensive service visits and keeps your printer running smoothly. Light bulb if you found this video helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe to MIT Creation for more printer and laptop service guides. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.